Hey, what's up, fam? I hope all is great with you. I hope everything is on the up and up. Um, I want to take a minute to talk to the parents, the aunties, the uncles, the caregivers, anybody up here doing their best to raise a family in this wild economy. Because let's be honest, between groceries, school supplies, sports fees, birthday gifts, clothes every 3 months because these kids don't stop growing. It all adds up. And most of us are just trying to breathe between paychecks, right? So here's the thing. What if I told you that you already spend the money, but what if you could save the money while you spend and even earn by sharing the same system that helps your family? That's what Save Club is about. It's not just some random app, it's a membership model that helps regular families save on stuff they already buy. And when I say already, I mean groceries, household goods, kid stuff, right? Like Target and Walmart kind of everyday things. So I joined Save Club because I got tired of watching my money disappear without anything to show for it. Now I realize I'm not just a consumer, I'm a connector. Like most of us, we're always recommending things to our friends and family, anyways, whether it's that backpack to buy, or which diaper works better, or where to get a discount on shoes. We do it naturally. So why not get paid for it? Save Club works like this: you become a member, you start saving savings through curated deals and cashback offers. And if you choose to, you can also share it with other families. Simple. When they sign up, you earn a commission. Simple. You're not selling lotions or potions. You're just helping other people do what they already do, buy stuff they need to save in the process. It's simple. Now, look, I know you're probably thinking, yo, what's the real deal here? I know I get that. If you want all the nitty gritty details about how the Save Club opportunity actually works, then don't take my word for it. Just check out, go to your browser or your smartphone and go to earnfromhomeapp.com where you can see everything laid out for you: the product, the compensation plan, the training, the whole nine. I'm not trying to sugarcoat anything or leave you guessing, but let me make this clear. This is not a get rich quick scheme, but it is a way to bring in extra money without sacrificing your family time. That's what made me lean in. I have kids. I don't want to be glued to my phone or computer or be chasing some complicated sales quota. I wanted something that fits into my life, not take over my life. And as a father of four, I think about my kids when I do this. Every dollar I save and every dollar, every extra dollar I earn goes towards something that matters, whether it's that after school program, that birthday party, or just peace of mind knowing that I've got a cushion. It's about building real freedom, and you don't have to do it alone because Save Club gives you the tools, the support, and the community to make it happen. So, listen, I know how skeptical people can be. That's cool. I was too. But here's what I always say: if you're already spending the money and there's a way to turn that into savings and income, what's the risk in you checking it out? You can try it before you even put in any money. You're not being asked to change your lifestyle, but just get smarter about how you live it. And you know what? Before you make any decisions, just do yourself a favor and check out earnfromhomeapp.com first. You can watch the video, and seriously, you can go there and get all the facts, see the numbers, understand the process, and then come back to this conversation. And I'd rather you be fully informed than just excited. You know what I mean? So here's the invitation. If you want to save money on your family's everyday expenses, and if you're curious about how to turn that into a side stream of income without being a salesperson, then hit the link in my bio, join the club, ask questions, and I'll walk you through it personally. That's how much I believe in it. Because the truth is, the system isn't being built around helping family thrive. It's built to keep us stuck. But when we link up, share tools, and shift the way we think about spending and earning, that's when the game changes. Save Club isn't just a platform, it's a movement for people who want more options and less pressure. So, yeah, if you love your family and you're tired of being stuck between stretching your budget and chasing the next hustle, then Save Club was made for you. Let's build smarter together. My link is in the comment or in the description below. Check it out. Peace and love. Be blessed and be a blessing. I'll see you on the next one.